I'm really scared that if I will not reach out to my boyfriend first, he will get fed up and he will find someone else because he never reaches out to me first. He never chases or pursues me. It's always me who does all this work, and I'm terrified to lose him to someone else. If you're in this situation, watch this video because I'll tell you exactly what to do. So number one, actually, I'll go first with the most important one. This is where you can actually take action right now. Don't reach out to your guy unless he reaches out to you first. So when he reaches out to you, just respond to him. Now you might say, Greta, he never reaches out first. But have you ever gave him space to reach out to you? Have you ever didn't reach out to him for 1, 2, 3 days or even a week? Or do you freak out when you don't get a message from him for 1 day or 24 hours or 2 days? And then you freak out and you message him first because you're getting this anxiety, you're getting this fear that he's gonna forget about you. So the first action that you take, don't reach out to him. Give him time and space to miss you and wonder why you're not reaching out to him first. Why you're not chasing, why you're not pursuing. Because now he has this pattern in his mindset that I don't have to reach out to her because she loves me so much. She's so into me. She's so scared to lose me that she'll just always reach out. She will always chase me and pursue me, so I'll just be receptive and that's it. But when you don't reach out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, even a week, then he's wondering what happened to you. He hasn't heard from you in a while, and he will start to reach out to you first. So when he does that, be receptive, be nice, and so it doesn't look like a game. Sometimes still reach out to him first, but you need to change the pattern. He's a man, he should be leading and pursuing and reaching out to you first because he's taking the lead. So all you have to do then is just respond nicely and kindly, yet sometimes still reach out first so it doesn't look like a game and you're still giving your 10, 20, 30%. So this is number one tip. Now, if he never reaches out to you, if you don't reach out to him, so for example, you stopped reaching out to him and now it's been 1 week, 2 weeks, months past, and he still didn't reach out to you. He still didn't reach out towards you. Well, you got your answer. Your answer is he doesn't care about you. He doesn't have feelings for you. He was staying with you out of convenience, out of safety, just because it felt good when you kept chasing him. You were like an ego stroke. This wasn't love. So if this was the case, sooner or later he would have dumped you or he would have cheated on you. So you kind of didn't waste your time by stopping this pattern. And number 3, please remember, because of different hormones, because of testosterone levels in men, all men like a challenge. They like a woman that we need to work for. They don't appreciate what comes easy. So when you don't reach out, when you don't compete with all these other women, you are the one that stands out. You are the one that he misses and think about. And remember, absence make the heart go fonder. So a lot of men actually realize their feelings for a woman when you don't reach out to him and when you give him time and space to miss you. You will stand out when you are the one who is not chasing him. You will never stand out if you're chasing him like all the other women are chasing. Now you're in a competition and he's playing the game. He's making you all fight for him. He's creating drama. He's creating situations and he's sitting there like, like I'm the boss, I'm the king. I don't know who to choose. Don't put yourself in such a desperate situation. Don't undervalue yourself so much that you have to compete for a man. It's never a woman's job to compete for a man. It's always a man's job to compete, provide, support, lead, pursue a woman. So just keep your dignity, keep your value, keep your self-respect, and just don't do that. Love yourself. It all comes down to self-love, self-value, and self-worth. So if you feel like you're lacking in that, work on this first. And then when you have your value and worth, when you love yourself, you're just never going to put yourself in situations like that. And naturally, men and people will start to pursue you, fight for you, respect, and value you. My name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with the ladies that need it. Like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join my High-Value Women Skool. 7 days are completely free. After that, it's only $39 a month. The link will be in the description or maybe in my bio. Just check it out. You'll find it somewhere around. And also for one-on-one coaching, you can book me and I can guide you through your current situation, whether you are dating or single, or maybe you just don't love yourself. I coach through all these issues. I've been coaching ladies since 2016. I coached over 3,000 of women just for one-on-one. So I have the experience and the knowledge. Also, I have videos for sale such as games men play on women, how to get your ex back, how to go from single to a happy, healthy relationships, and many, many more. All these videos are on my website, gretabereisaite.com. Thank you all for watching. Kisses from UK. Mwah.